are going to discuss about a two-stage underwater enhancement network based on structure decomposition and characteristics of underwater imaging. Then we are going to see about the overview of our project. This is the abstract. The main objective of our project is to enhance the image pixel quality by using different image enhancement techniques. Due to the scattering and attenuation of light into the water, the underwater image usually appears with color distortion, blurred details and low contrast. To address these problems, underwater image convolutional neural network based on structure decomposition for underwater image enhancement is proposed by considering the characteristics of underwater imaging. The system is developed the different image enhancement techniques for enhancing the image pixel quality or improve the input image pixel quality effectively by using white balance techniques and histogram equalization. Then the system is implemented the classification algorithm, that is deep learning, such as convolutional neural network, for estimating the performance such as accuracy, confusion matrix and ROC curve. This is the flow of our project. Here we are taking the data set as underwater image dataset. The dataset was collected from dataset repository like Kaggle, GitHub and so on. Then image selection. Here we can select the one input image from our dataset, read input image as well as display the input image. Then the selected image are carried out to pre-processing module. Here we can resize the original image. Then pre-processed image are carried out to image enhancement. So here we can implement white balance technique as well as histogram equalization for improving or enhancing the image pixel quality. Then image splitting. Here we can split the whole input dataset into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Then the splitted image are carried out to classification module. Here we can implement deep learning algorithms such as convolutional neural network. Then the classified data. So with the help of classified data we can estimate some performance metrics like accuracy, ROC curve and confusion matrix. Then prediction. Here we can predict or enhance the image. So this is the flow of our project. This is the output of our project. We are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator platform. So this is the original image which we was selected from our dataset. Then this is resized the original image. This is the output for white balance techniques. We can differentiate the white balance, that is the enhance our image quality. This is for balanced image, low contrast, contrast etching, histogram equalization. Then image splitting. So here we split the whole input images. So this is the total number of images is present in training data. This is the total number of images is present in test data. Similarly, it is total number of images is present in validation data. Then convolutional neural network. So the result for convolutional neural network is 99.73%. So this is the confusion matrix for CNN. Then this is the ROC curve for CNN. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.